In this Java tutorial, we will talk about final keyword. Final keyword can be used in variables, methods, and classes. First, let's learn how we can use it in variables. I created a variable. I will print the variable to the console. Then I assign a different value to the variable. I print it to the console again. In short, I can change the value of a variable in the program. But we don't always want this. Some variables shouldn't be changed in the program. To do this, we use final keyword. A variable created with final keyword cannot be changed later. The program will give an error. Final keyword can be used in methods. There is a project that includes polymorphism. In this project, loan calculation will be done according to teacher or student. There are three classes named teacher loan, student loan, and base loan. I created a teacher loan object. Teacher loan class is extended to base loan class. There's a method for loan calculation in base loan class. This method is overridden thanks to polymorphism feature. I created a student loan object. Student loan class is extended to base loan class. Student loan class has overridden the method using polymorphism property like teacher loan. I call the methods in both classes, but we don't want to use polymorphism property for some methods. In this case, we use final keyword while creating the method. In this way, we prevent other classes from setting the same method according to themselves. Now classes can't use polymorphism property. The program will give an error. Final keyword can be used in classes. I am running the same project again. In some projects, it's not desired for a class to be extended by another class. In this case, we use final keyword while defining the class. I will create base loan class with final keyword. Teacher and student classes can no longer extend base loan. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.